I must admit, I invested in cryptocurrency instead of buying gear. Was that a mistake? Palm in the face. Palm in the face. Boy, this crypto thing really tanked in the last month, did it? I rode the bandwagon. I admit, I rode the bandwagon. I definitely joined into the hype of invest in crypto. I did not even know about crypto 10, 12 years ago. Had I known, wow, I'm sure everybody definitely jump on that. But no, I had to ride the bandwagon. I also suffered from that, but not tremendously. That cryptocurrency could have gotten me a better gear right now. See, I'm in a position of buying a camera, and that money that I invested in crypto could have taken me to a better model camera. But no, that's not gonna happen. Heck, my kid's Acorn is doing better than crypto. I should have just stuck it out to traditional investments, which I'd done well with stocks. I should have just stuck with that. Damn these hype and stock memes and all those things. But I actually did much okay in the whole AMC thing. I bought low and I sold high. So not a major loss on that one, but crypto. I don't know about that. I think I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm usually more of a long-term investment and I just let it sit there. I did plan to expect to lose that money in case, so it is a loss. Just wish that it would have gained money so I could have bought my red Komodo. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Move on to the next project and hopefully it'll be more funds down the road to have a better camera. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any thoughts, comments, or same experience as I am, comment down below. As always, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Peace.